The yellow kayak is an ocean kayak. It is a Prowler Trident 13. It's a sea fishing kayak and comes with quite a lot of internal storage space. The advantage of that is it lowers the centre of gravity and gives greater protection to keep items dry. The problems are it is bulky and it does weigh quite a lot. Martin's kayak is lighter, easier to move around, but does have the disadvantage that you can't store much on the inside, which means it has less stability because stuff is now being stored above the waterline. If you are going to do this, and if there is a chance that things outside of the kayak may get wet, you need to make sure that your waterproof bags are waterproof. As for a start location, we chose the Red Lion at Cricklade. It's an excellent pub, fantastic hospitality. The accommodation is without fault. If the accommodation is that good, I was able to get my kayak inside. The official source of the Thames lies in a remote Gloucestershire meadow on the edge of the small village of Kemble. The Ordnance Survey map reference for this is ST980994. The area, officially known as Shrewsbury Mead, is sometimes referred to as Thames Head. Having undertaken a recce, we knew that the landlord of the Red Lion at Castle Eaton and a family member had cleared a route all the way to Cricklade. Now, it wasn't a wide route, it's not a wide river, but there's a lot of trees still that were in our way. This is when Martin found out two things. Firstly, piling stuff high on a kayak definitely makes it unstable, and secondly, that not all waterproof bags are created equal. Having gone over, he discovered that all of his bags, with the exception of one, had let water in. Fortunately, the one dry bag was his sleeping bag. Check before you go that your bags are up to muster.